In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create unlimited WhatsApp accounts using fake numbers. The method is very simple, but do watch the full video to understand the complete procedure. So let's jump to the video. In front of me, as you can see that I have WhatsApp opened. So click on agree and continue. And as you can see that it's asking for phone number. So now what you need to do is to open your internet browser. And in the search bar, type TEMPSMSS. Click on this first link right here. So here you will see a lot of country flags. So select the country of which you want to get the number. I'll go with USA. Now if you scroll down, you will see a lot of numbers that you can use to create your fake WhatsApp account. So select the number and then click on this receive SMS option. And now what you need to do is to click on this copy phone number option. Now the phone number is copied, so open WhatsApp. First of all, enter the country code. For USA, it's 1. And then paste the phone number here. After that, click on next. So as we all know that when we create a WhatsApp account, we get an OTP code. This code is sent to the number on which you are trying to make the account. But in this case, as you can see that we are using a fake number. So in order to get the OTP, you need to go back to your internet browser. Scroll down and then click on this refresh to view latest SMS option. And if this phone number is still valid, you will get the OTP code here and you can paste the OTP code and create your fake WhatsApp account. However, if the number is not working, then you can go back and try with a new number. In this way, you can create a fake WhatsApp account. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.